So I'm making this video to show everyone how loud this Homedics Cool Mist humidifier is. It's probably the loudest humidifier I ever purchased, and I've had, I believe this is the 4th model, because pretty much they're all junk. So this is the dial. It's on. So yeah. This thing's not even that old. And it did this probably the first week. So a lot of people say you fix it by just giving it a tap or a hit for frustration. So let me do that real quick. Oh, no. Try it again. Alright. It's almost as quiet as it gets. Try again. There you go. That's the quietest it gets. So I believe on the box it says that it's quiet. It's not. There's no way you could sleep on it. This is in my toddler's room. And yeah, I'm not going to torture him. That's like cruel. Anyway, super disappointed in this product. I usually don't make product reviews, but this thing has been so infuriating that I have to share it, and simply don't purchase it because it's not worth it. Just get a cheaper unit.